Hi, I'm Michael, your handyman, and we're back for another quick segment. Recently, we had just put up a 70-inch Samsung flat screen television. Well, the reason we're back is because the question was asked, can you almost mount that television anywhere? And the answer is yes. And I'm going to show you what we did, or you can see the television hanging. Let me get into that now. Now, as you can see, this is a 70-inch television here. And as you can see from the back, our back wall from the doorway to here is 4 feet. Now, clearly our television goes past that wall, but because of the fact that it is a articulating mount, it allows you to move the television over, and because of the fact that you are utilizing the curtains, they could have elected to put it on another wall, but this is where they wanted it. They wanted the viewing area to be cast to the back, if that makes sense. So with that being said, I was able to do that. Let me show you more. Okay, as you can see, the television is moved over ever so slightly, so no one is coming in the doorway bumping into the television. And the television is somewhat masked by the curtain. So a lot of times you don't see it. Now let me go show you how it was mounted on the wall. Now, as you can see, we have a articulating mount, television mount. It allows you to move the television in almost any direction, to the side, down. And also for this install, I gave a, let me bring you in closer. For this install, I went in for a HDMI cord, put in an HDMI outlet, and a coaxial cover, and that simply goes into the tie-in at the bottom, and that's how we were able to hide our wires in the wall so that you couldn't see anything. Now, as you can see, our wires are hidden. We have no wires hanging out. We have a clean install. We are able to articulate the television on either side. Now I'm gonna, just for example purposes, I'm going to move the television the other way so you can see that. Now, as you can see, what I mentioned is that we can move that television over. Of course, we're not going to block that entryway at all, but it's just a lot that you can do based off of the seating arrangement. Allows you to move the television around, differently. Okay, now let's put it somewhat over. Now, as you can see, we moved our television kind of back, taking into account the doorway and the edge. And again, we have a clean install. And this just lets you know the possibilities that you have with a flat screen and a articulating mount. As long as your mount is able to move, you can almost put this television anywhere. So, and again, It's a clean install. You have no wires underneath, nothing at the top. You have a clean picture, and our homeowners happy about the install. And again, you can do this yourself. With that being said, I'm Michael, your handyman. Think safe, be safe. Continue to hit that like and subscribe. And as always, see you on the next job.